Now I want you to see, today is November the 16th. I put a Band-Aid on my finger to take care of that sore. I also took one of my thinner bands and put it on so that it still looks good that I'm married. But yet, when I close my finger, it does not give me any problems with rubbing against that callus at all, because you can see that it's too far up. So my finger has had time to heal. Not completely healed, still a little bit rough here, but it is healing. The cracking and the bleeding is done. So you have a couple advantages to taking care of this. One, you can do what I did, put a Band-Aid on that. If that Band-Aid is doing good and you're fine with it, no problem. But if you can't put your wedding band on because of it, which was a bit of a problem that I was having, you can go ahead and get a thinner band and put it on. I have a 2mm, and this one here is a 4mm. My other one is a 6, so I wanted to be smaller. So I got the 2 and I got the 4. The 2 is very thin, and then I got this one, and I have no problem with it. I do have the 2 for a backup just in case, so I can continue wearing a wedding band so my wife does not get mad. But I just wanted to show you this, and I also want to let you know that I'm up here on Drummond Island. I'm up here at the Drummond Resort, and I'm enjoying my time. This is my first vacation from a job that's being paid for. And so I'm up here for 11 days. Well, not up here, but my vacation's 11 days. And then I get to go home. Now, no, they're not paying me for 11, they're paying me for 7. I'm taking a few extra days to get some work done. And that's it. So remember, you either get a smaller band like I have on now, put a Band-Aid that's waterproof around there, keep the moisture in, keep it from being abraded. And it takes a few days. Just take a look at the very first video I did on this and the date that was put on. That was the 11th that I was finally said enough is enough. So it's been 5 days since I had that cracking and bleeding. And now, with the Band-Aid and now the smaller wedding band, it's healing up quite nicely. Probably a couple more days. When it's done, I'll put another video up. Okay? God bless.